What if we could reduce greenhouse gas concentration in the atmosphere while simultaneously rejuvenating our agricultural system by increasing soil quality, decreasing the need for artificial fertilizer, and increasing crop yields? Deep in the Amazon rainforest, scientists have discovered a component of soil used by pre-Columbian indigenous peoples who burnt agriculture and food wastes in pits, creating terra preta, or black earth. Today, we call this soil amendment biochar. So what is biochar anyway? It's organic matter that has been heated in a low-oxygen environment, a process called pyrolysis. Low oxygen prevents the complete breakdown of cell structures, which allows it to hold nutrients better. It also retains its carbon content, making it a carbon-negative process. How do you make a low-oxygen burning environment? There are two prominent methods. The first is called a top-lit updraft, or TLUD. As the name implies, the top of a large steel barrel full of biomass is lit, and an upward draft of air fuels the fire just enough. As it burns down, the oxygen level gets lower and the heat rises, creating biochar at the bottom. Another method is called a retort. A smaller barrel of fuel with some air holes is placed inside of a larger barrel full of burning fuel. While not directly burned, the fuel in the retort becomes biochar as it undergoes pyrolysis within the fire surrounding it. Both methods can be combined to create a more efficient system called a Jolly Roger, which is essentially a retort design flipped upside down on top of a TLUD. But in this case, the heat from the TLUD acts as the fuel that would normally surround the retort. All of these are viable options for making biochar. The questions remain, however, can we ramp up biochar production and use to be viable on a national or global scale? Can we incentivize biochar by incorporating it into policies such as the Kyoto Protocol? Could biochar be a solution to our deteriorating agricultural system? Experts in the field are working on answers to these difficult questions. Meanwhile, we think biochar has as much potential as it has carbon, which is a lot. We hope that someday this simple soil amendment will be used widely.